Castel Sant'Angelo is one of Rome's most fascinating landmarks because it served so many different purposes to Roman history throughout its nearly 2,000 years of existence. Here's everything you need to know from history to visiting tips. Castel Sant'Angelo is a massive fortress located on the Tiber River, just a short walk from Vatican City. It began as a Roman emperor's mausoleum and evolved into a papal fortress, prison, residence, and now a museum with some of the best panoramic rooftop views in Rome. The building originated in 123 AD by Emperor Hadrian, who intended for it to serve as a mausoleum for himself and his family. It was originally called the Mausoleum of Hadrian. After Hadrian's death, his ashes and those of later emperors were placed inside. But as Rome declined, the fortress served a new purpose of defense due to its size and location. Next, the fortress served an important purpose during the Middle Ages and Renaissance. There is an elevated corridor that connects the Vatican to the castle. Popes used it as an escape route during times of danger. Over time, the castle was heavily fortified and served as a military stronghold. It functioned as a prison, often for political prisoners. Because of its role in executions and imprisonment, the castle has a darker reputation compared to many Roman landmarks. The fortress served lighter purposes as well. Eventually, the upper levels were transformed into luxurious apartments for popes during the Renaissance. These rooms were decorated ornately to help illustrate the dominance of the Catholic Church to the Pope's visitors. It created a striking contrast with the cold prison cells that still existed just below. Today, Castel Sant'Angelo is a museum with multiple levels, each showing a different chapter of its history. You will see ancient Roman structural elements of the mausoleum, medieval defense walls, prison cells and interrogation rooms, papal apartments with frescoes and furniture, military exhibits and weaponry, and, of course, the terrace at the top with sweeping views of Rome and St. Peter's Basilica. When I visited, you could even look down on a Christmas village during the holiday season. The name Castel Sant'Angelo comes from a legend during a plague in Rome in 590 AD. Pope Gregory I claims to have seen the Archangel Michael appearing above, showing his sword as a sign that the plague was ending. After this vision, the building became associated with the angel and was renamed from the Mausoleum of Hadrian to Castel Sant'Angelo. The statue of the angel on the roof represents this moment. It is definitely worth a visit here. Few places in Rome show such a dramatic transformation throughout the city's history, all in one structure. It's very easy to visit. All you have to do is purchase tickets online. You should plan to spend about 2 hours here if you want to see every detail of the museum and enjoy the views, but if you're short on time, it is also possible to move faster and just focus on the upper levels and terrace. It's particularly famous for views during the sunset because it offers sweeping views of the entire city.